Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and a couple of weeks ago, I made a video about a power bank. Yeah, I think the video was about a power bank. I don't really remember properly, but on that video, you guys can go check it out. Actually, let me check the name of that video so I can tell you guys which video was specifically. Funny thing is, on the video, I never wrote that there was going to be a giveaway on that video, so many of you actually skipped that video. The video is called Safety First. On that video, I said that I was going to be giving away 2 power banks in 3 weeks time, so the 3rd week is already this week, so I'm gonna be announcing 2 winners in this video. So let me just jump straight to it and say which one is the winner. And don't mind my hoodie because that's pretty cold. It's been reaching -2 degrees. I think this is the first time it reaches -2 degrees in South Africa, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. Talking about the comments down below, for you not to miss any of my video, make sure you have your notifications on after you subscribe. Don't just subscribe, but also click the notification bell somewhere. I think it's next to the button where you press subscribe. So the winners of the 2 power banks are, I'm gonna write them, put them somewhere up here. These are the 2 winners of the power bank. So it is a Xiaomi power bank. It's a Mi Power Bank 2 by Xiaomi. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I normally get that wrong. But these are the 2 winners of the power bank. So this video was basically just for me to announce the winners. Really quick video, and for me to tell you guys that if you don't want to miss these giveaways, just make sure you're subscribed to the channel and make sure your notification is on so you can get the video as soon as I post them. And as for my subscriber count, is actually starting to grow pretty fast. We almost hitting 700 subscribers. Should be hitting 700 subscribers by next week, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As for the winners, make sure you get hold of me either on my email address, which is on the description, or you can also try and tweet me, direct tweet me. That's a DM, actually DM me on Twitter or DM me on Instagram, and I will answer to you guys, and we'll just exchange information on how you can get hold of your power bank. I'll check you guys on the next one. Peace.